Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am sharing with you guys my after dark cleaning routine. This is something that I do as soon as we're done eating. Usually my husband will take care of the boys while I start on the cleaning, and he's so gracious to do the nighttime routine on his own most of the nights, so I could be able to tackle this so I can relax after the kids go to bed. So this is exactly what I do every night, minus the mopping, but I do this pretty much every night after we eat, because I just like to go ahead and get all the cleaning out of the way. I don't want to sit down and watch TV and then get up again and go start the cleaning, because once I sit down, it's pretty much a done deal for me, and I hate going to bed with the dirty kitchen, so I just like to go ahead and get it out of the way. I am going to go ahead and allow you guys to enjoy the music in this video. I try to choose music that would somewhat be relaxing for you guys to watch the video, so I hope you enjoy it, and let's continue with the cleaning.
Something you say, or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She wants to study your body. Who gets the better version of you? I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you. I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night. Like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, go, running to better times. Go, 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 throw my emotions out. Go, 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 running to better times. To better times, to better times. To better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not. But better let myself give in to love, believe in us, no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It's like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're new to me. I don't know who you are, but like a piece of art, I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're 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 getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. It's not under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys got a ton of cleaning motivation out of this. Please leave me a comment down below and tell me all about your nighttime routine. I love chatting with you guys in the comments. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload next. And I will be sure to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.